you to disappear for a year. No posting, no boasting, just focusing on you, working on you, improving you, creating the best version of yourself. I don't want to be here the same time next year, so I'm going to disappear. Focus on me, work on me, improve me. I will let go of everything negative, every distraction, every excuse, and I will work and work and work until my life becomes a reflection of the person I want to be, a person I can be proud of, sacrifice behind closed doors, so more doors open in the future. Grind in silence. Let your success be the loudest thing they hear. Put your head down. Be quiet. Let your results speak for you.